Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Shawn Pupello, broker owner of Pupello Realty Company. I want to talk to you today about 5 things that I think are important for you to ask a listing agent when you're interviewing them to list your home. The first thing is, how many homes have they sold in your neighborhood or in the immediate area in the last year? Very important to know. Second, do they have any references that you can call to verify their skills and services, or as they say they are, this would be previous sellers, not their cousin Joe. Next, how do they plan to market your home? Having a marketing plan is essential to the success of selling your home, and this does not limit them to just putting it into the MLS and crossing their fingers. What is their availability? What are their work hours? Can you get them on the weekends? Can you get them after 7 p.m.? Very important for you to know what times and how to contact them. What are their fees? All the fees, commission fees, transaction fees, anything that you need to know about that you're going to be paying out of your pocket at the end of the day. Follow me for more tips.